when we are going to make the formula of interrogative, mean that we ask from someone, that is it, or we are going to confirm something. So what will you do? You will have to take out the helping verb out. You have to change the place. Hi guys, it's me Inam, an English teacher. I'm going to teach you today about a be word. What is be word? Especially regarding the present tense, we use be word. It means as, am, are. And especially when we use be word as a verb, so it is an active word. It means that something to be done or something that take place in present situation. But here we are studying be word as mean that is, am, are. In present situation, present indefinite tense, we have three types of words. That first thing is static word, that is called statement. We use is/am/are in static word, in statement word is a helping word. And what does it mean? Many of the people, that they call this process in English in present indefinite tense that is present simple tense. But actually this is not the present simple tense. What is this? This is be word. Now you can see the formula, how to make formula. That we should have subject first, then be word. Be word mean is, am, are. Then object. Now, what kind of object? Objects should be noun or adjective. Two kinds of object we can use here. The first, that should be noun, or that should be adjective. Now I'm going to make sentence. I am an English teacher. Now see, it's noun object. And I said that I am an English teacher. The second sentence, I am sincere. Now, this is my subject. Then I use be word and it shows present. An English teacher, sometimes we use gerund form after is, am, are. That is called present progressive tense. What do we do in present progressive tense? We use gerund form of the word after is, am, are. But here we use direct object. So it is called present static word. Next sentence, I am a doctor. Now I subject am. Simply I tell it and I declare that I am a doctor. Professionally I am a doctor. He is a good boy. Or I can say that he is a driver. A doctor, noun. That is object. He is smart boy. She is a teacher. Now, she is a teacher, mean that she is teaching. If we say here in present continuous tense, or she is professionally, what is she? She is teacher. She is a doctor. She is an actress. Now, we are learners. We are players. We are teachers. You are bold. You are honest. You are lazy. Now, you can see that we use am with I. And we use he is with he, she, and our singular pronoun, and are is used with plural. Whenever there are subjects are plural, we will use are. Now when we come to the negative sentence, we have subject being not plus. Just shortly, you have to put not with is, am, are. Shortly. Now see, if I make sentence, I am an English teacher, and negative sentence, I will say that I am not an English teacher. In negative sentence, what I say? I am not an English teacher. I am not sincere. I am not a doctor. As we said that he is not a good boy. He is not a driver. She is not a teacher. She is not a doctor. Like this, we have to just put not with helping word. And when we are going to contract that, we have contracted form there for speaking, for garnishing the speaking. So we use is not, into, isn't, are not, into, aren't, and am not, into, ain't. These are the contracted form. And now, when we are going to make the formula of interrogative, mean that we ask from someone, that is it, or we are going to confirm something. So what will you do? You will have to take out the helping verb out. You have to change the place of subject in helping verb. Now see, if I say that I am an English teacher, I am an English teacher. In negative, I say that I am not an English teacher. In interrogative, I will say that am I an English teacher? Am I an English teacher? Now see here, if I say that he is a good boy. In negative sentence, I say that he is not a good boy. And then when I come to interrogative sentence, I will say that is he a good boy? And I should have question mark here in the last. That is question mark. It is used for a question. We are learners. Are we learners? That's simply defined here in interrogative sentence. You have to just care about your helping verb. Then the helping verb should be out. Is used for singular, am is used for personal pronoun I, and are is used for plural pronoun. Thank you so much for today's lesson.